In incremental routines, let's say that you messed up, you deleted by accident the ABC collection. Is hey, how we can get this collection once again? Because I cannot download it from the Supermemo store, right? Easy. Close down Supermemo. So we're going to do a very quick fix. So just run the installation again. Do you see you have the inst? That's not the executable file. It's the installation that will download the latest Supermemo. So in my case, I have more versions. I have the 18 and 17. I don't want to update. So click install, and I will select the same one. In my case, the 19 now. Nice. Then do you see it's downloading? ABC of Supermemo, once again. So even though I already had all of the binary files, what I didn't have is the collection. So now I need to register once again. Okay, the password, here you go. As easy as that. Now professional level. Oh, what you may lose are the layouts. Okay. So in that case, you may want a different folder. So you get the ABC collection, but you don't reset everything. So you keep your layouts. If that's your strategy, then it's still very easy. Let's say that I did the custom folder of Supermemo 19. So well, first, I will make sure that Supermemo is not running. And then what I will do is go to Systems. That's not the collection I wanted. Is where it is. Here. ABC, so I select the folder and the KNO file. And I go here and I paste it. It's also a valid strategy. And the one I indicate if you have multiple layouts. Now, if I open it again, now I have my layouts, the colors that I have. And at the same time, now I can go and open my recent copy of the ABC collection. Easy. So and if I do care now, I will uninstall Supermemo that I did inside. So I will be running this on installer, so I don't have the second copy of Supermemo 19. So that's a quick trick you can use. Feel free to watch the video of uninstalling. There's nothing fancy. And that's a quick tip. Now I have the brand new, once again, untouched ABC collection. That everything is dismissed and so on. Could be cool if you just tried for a few hours, you moved on, you go back after a few weeks or months, and oh yeah, what it is, or I deleted, boom, you start from scratch. Hope this is helpful. See you incrementally.